Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making some festival and here are my ingredients that I will be using. So I have 1.5 cups of flour and I'll add 1 cup cornmeal, 2.5 tablespoons sugar, half teaspoon salt, 2.5 teaspoon baking powder, and we're going to give those a stir and a combine. And then we'll go to our milk. So this is just a little bit less than 1 cup of milk. So take out about 3 tablespoons, right? And then we added 1 teaspoon of vanilla and combine. And then now we're gonna make our dough. So add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, right? And I always start off with a spoon just to combine everything, and then I go in with my hand and then start kneading the flour, right, Vibes fam? So do what you want to do what is best for you, okay? No judgment over here. So when we have completed this part of it, like making the dough, then we're going to cover the container with the dough, of course, with some cling film, or if you have a towel, just put the towel over the bowl, right, and leave it for an hour, and then we're going to come back to it, right? So even if it do a hour and a half, that's fine. Just make sure it gets at least an hour, right? And then now it's making dough time. Making dough time. So let's feel the dough. Yeah, you feel good, you feel nice. And then now we're going to take off our desired size. So that doesn't feel so right, let's add some more. And then no, that don't feel so right, take a little bit more, right? So yeah, this feel good now. So this is what I'm working with. There you go. Okay, so let's add some flour because we don't need this dough sticking together. When we take our time and tear off a piece and put it down, we need for it to stay by itself and not sticking to the others. So that's why you add the flour, right? And then we're going to go in and make our festival. So next, what I'm gonna do, Vibes fam, well, I'm going to do that off camera, but I got a baking tray and I added a lot of flour to it so that when, there you go, so that when I roll the festival and put it down on it, it don't stick together, right? So yeah, there you go. So just put the dough between your hand and rub it on together, and then it will get elongated. But do it to the size that you want it, right? And then just rest them on the baking tray, right? So go for the size that you want, then rest it on the tray with the lots of flour. Don't forget the flour. Oh, most importantly, please wash your hands. I don't think I have to tell you guys that because you know better than that. So there you go, a good size flour. Roll, and show me what you got. There you go, put it down. Beautiful and gorgeous, right? There you go. Yeah, that look nice, though. It look really good. So put that down. And I'm going to stretch them a little bit more, but I'm going to do that off camera, right? But yeah, Vibes fam, here they are. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a lot of oil to my pot and make sure that get hot. And I'm going to show you guys, I test it this way with a bamboo. When it bubble up vigorously, you know that the oil is hot. And then now I'm adding my festivals, right? And they will soon start float around and ting. It's all good stuff. So yeah, Vibes fam, once they are golden brown, you turn them to the other side. So it's like 4 minutes on each side. So now that this is finished, I'm taking them out and look at them. Look pan golden brown. Golden brown body. Is a nice body. The color ready. But yeah, I like my stuff crispy. I think you guys know that already. But yeah, Vibes fam, look at it. Look at them. Take them out. Yes, so let's turn them, and turn them, right? And just be careful to watch them because it will look like they are not browning, but them brown. So yeah, Vibes fam, let's turn over those ones in the corner and then we're going to take out the other two, right? So yeah, just get them nice and golden brown and then that is you. And trust me, once you see them start floating, you know that things is going in for them. They're almost ready, right? But yeah, beautiful. Just absolutely gorgeous. Love, 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 love. Them sound so nice and crispy when I drop them on the thing. You hear them just sound so good. But yeah, Vibes fam, go ahead and take them out. Look at them, look at them. Vibes fam, I'm so excited for this. Like, I really need for you guys to try it. Try it and comment just comment down below and tell me, will you try it? And if you try it, come back and tell me, please. I really like to hear. Oh, but don't forget to subscribe. Did you hear that? Did you hear that one? I put it down so you could hear it, you know. Yes, so nice and crispy. But yeah, Vibes fam, take them out, right? And yeah, as I was saying, comment down below and tell me, will you try this recipe? It's so, so good. You're gonna enjoy it so much. So yeah, this is them. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All done, beautiful. And Vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have this delicious, nice. When I tell you that these are just perfect, the perfect festival. Like so, so good, Vibes fam. Like it have the right amount of cornmeal to the right amount of meal. And then, I mean, oh, I didn't say, if you don't have milk, then use water if you want. But Vibes fam, look here, this is how I ate it. This is how I had it. Yes, some fish and festival, you know how the thing go. But yeah, Vibes fam, look on it. Tell me say it don't look nice. It look nice, right? And it tastes even better. It was so good. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on the post notification bell, please. Thank you. And follow me on Instagram. God bless you.